Thanks for stopping by, my YouTube friends. Today I'm going to do a wheel swap on my Land Cruiser Trooper. I mentioned in a previous video that I was going to change out the wheels on one of my Land Cruisers, but since then I've decided I'm going to change them all out. I bought this Jeep by Greenlight wheel pack, and I'm going to use 3 sets out of here. Changing out the wheels on my Land Cruiser are pretty simple. It has a single screw, comes right apart. I already have the wheels on the axle. I think we'll flip this upside down. Put that in there. I'll probably put a drop of glue on that in the future so that that doesn't keep happening. And we'll put this one on here. This goes in the little slot. And then we'll take the screw, screw it down, make sure the wheels are tight, and here we are with the new wheels. Don't you think they look pretty good? I do. Now I had quite a bit of trouble trying to decide what wheels go on what, but I decided that I like this set of wheels on here, and they're pretty nice. They got nice tread on them. And then I decided to put these white walls on the yellow Land Cruiser. I picked this particular Land Cruiser because it reminds me of a Country Squire station wagon with that color, so I thought that those might look good on that. Tell me what you think in the comments. And then the coolest wheels of the whole bunch, I put on the blue one. Now those I think look pretty good. I like those. Tell me what you think of these 3. Which one you think looks best? Thank you for watching, and upcoming video will be a Nissan Patrol Classic advertisement.